Caramelised apples and pears are perfect dessert for this time of year. This is a Braeburn apple, nice and crisp, full of juice, hardly any acidity. This is a Commis pear, now quite robust, quite dense in the centre, but the most amazing flavour, very, very sweet. Right, when we caramelise fruit, you've got to core the centre. Down, in, twist, and pull out. Nice thin slices as you peel. The secret behind roasting apples and pears is making sure that they're not too ripe. If they're slightly too ripe, then the whole thing disintegrates in the pan. Look at that, it smells amazing. And now, we're going to form a really nice caramel, but we're going to season this caramel with black pepper, star anise and cloves, and that gives a really nice spice flavour when you're caramelising the apples and pears. Pan, sugar, get it really nice and even. Therefore, the caramel starts cooking evenly and doesn't burn in the corners. Butter. That stops it from separating and splitting. Spice. Cinnamon stick, pears and apples in. Put the fat side down. And now that I'm happy with that colour, I'm going to add my calvados. And it sort of enriches the caramel. Ooh, Jesus. Then finish with apple juice. It just sort of liquefies the caramel and just takes the heaviness out of it. Bring that to the boil and just coat the apples and pears. Let it glaze over and serve. That smells amazing. And now, just finish that with some ice cream on.
Caramelised apples and pears with ice cream. Done.